Hey, Jim here, and this is not Jim. This is Jim. Anyway, that's kind of funny, but not really. Anyway, so folks, Harley brake line, Harley brake system, Harley brake everything. Started out a little rattle and needed a dust cover. Well, okay, so pulled stuff apart, thought alright, we should put some brakes on there because those brakes are kind of skinny. The motors, okay, hold on here, I have to cough. Oh Lord. Anyway, so then we go to the brakes. Then we go to fixing the brakes. Blah blah blah, video. So this is maybe the last one, I'm kind of hoping. So anyway, put your folks down so you can kind of see what's going on here. And get you in there a little closer. That's pretty good, right? Oh, I don't know, is that good? Not gonna... Doesn't like being that close, I don't think. Alright, so anyway, see that? I saw, in another video I did, somehow, this brake line is supposed to be tucked in underneath here, right? So, but it was flat and scraped right the heck out. I don't know how it could. I know this was in an accident before. You know, we got a little bit of this monkey business here, and then, you know, some down here too. You know, and the bar's a little bit crooked, and a couple of chippies on this side. And anyway, but how, because it's inside, did it get scraped like that, I wonder? I just don't know, and it was flattened out. Showed it to you in the other video. Maybe I'll have that in there. I've had a mess of videos lately that are just goofy. Anyway, so the big plan now is I put this one on, cut it off. I put it's called the Union, and then there's this little ferrule thing. Oh, what the heck are we here? This little ferrule thing that goes on there, but that ferrule thing goes on after the. I suppose here I should show you the slip nut, you know, and then this part here scrunches it coming in this way here. But when I cut out the piece, it was just a little too long there. The cut. I figured maybe with the you know, the distance you have to go in there, that I might be okay. Well, see what happens when you think. Alright, so here you go. What I have now, I don't know, I'll have to weigh you guys, I think, this time, yeah. Alright, so what I ended up with is a guy down at the it's a copper line. Someone returned it. He's a funny guy because it has a bubble on one end, and it didn't work for whatever he did or he was trying to do or something. Anyways, but see, when he returned it, he made his own. There's no bubble there. Anyway, so copper tubing, and this is the 3/16, just like my other line. It's not gonna match, but I don't care. So what I do is I'm gonna take out a chunk of this, get it in position with my other. Let's see, I have another one. See, another one of them Unions. So I'll figure it out a little bit here. And then when I start my assembly process and all, I'll do it and we'll do it together. And then we can probably start bleeding the brake this next time maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, thanks a lot for stopping by. It's a nice day here. A little too cool this morning. I had to put pants on. Uh-oh, winter's coming. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. Subscribe, like, don't like, tell your friends I suck, and then give them the whole address thing like that so they can come and see. You know where I'm going. Thanks a lot. Bye now.